Thanks for tuning in again to another great episode. This one will be a good one for those people out there that work on stuff by yourself. Keep watching. Have you ever wondered how to check your brake lights without having a second person? Well, here I'm going to show you a way to do it by yourself with stuff that you already have in the truck. Follow me. Alright, basically what you're going to do here is just pull out your little jack from the vehicle that comes with the truck. Find you a little piece of 2x4 or some kind of piece of wood. Roll this up as far as you can get it. Maybe not so far, so let's back it up just a hair. Let me set y'all up somewhere where y'all can see this. So basically just stick this here, and if your seat comes far enough, there we go. So basically, if it's a further stretch and you don't have electric seats, then you can just crank this till you get there. But that's basically an easy way to find out. And as you can see here, the brake light's not working. So we're going to go ahead and change that out. You can check your one up there. So that right there is an easy way to do it by yourself. Just kind of find you something to put in here, and with the electric seats it made it really easy for me. So just go till you smash it and you're good to go. So hopefully that will help y'all out there, those guys that are trying to do it on your own. But we're going to take this tail light out and change this bulb. Stay with me. turn the running lights on just to make sure. Alright, there you have it. As you can see here, I already took the wood out, so I just rotated it back, dropped it out. Then we're good to go. Simple as that. That's all it takes. Just tools that you got laying around, nothing major. So hopefully this will help somebody out. If you're wondering how to check the brake lights yourself, make sure and subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.